All right, so here we have the Fanttik E1 MAX. This is an electronic screwdriver set. Open it for you. So this is the actual screwdriver itself. Set this to the side. So this one actually has two different torque modes, actually three, if you count the manual one. So it has low torque, manual, then high torque. If you put it on one of the torques there, this button you screw. With this one you unscrew. It has this very convenient built-in LED light, to light dark places if needed. It charges via USB-C, and it is a fast charger as well. So yeah, very slick, very nicely built, all aluminum. So it looks very professional, very good. Over here we have the case. It brings 50 bits actually, as you can see here, various bits, so you will not be needing more than what you have here for most applications. It does have a pry bar that comes with it and a pair of tweezers as well. So again, solid build. It has a magnetization zone right here for your bits in case you need it as well. And yeah, I mean, I've been using it for my 3D printers as well. It's mainly for small electronics like phones, laptops, cameras. But yeah, it's very useful. In case you do need a little bit more power, that's what it has, the manual mode. So that you can, let's say if the screw is pretty set in, you can unscrew it manually and then just use the low or high torque to go ahead and do the rest of the job. So it will definitely save your wrist. You just pop it back in like this and you are good to go. You don't need to take it out to charge it, so you can just hook up the USB-C charger right there and you are good to go. Hope you like it.